The condenser coil venom pack and Viper Heavy Duty are designed for more intensive outdoor cleaning, specifically condenser coils, but we also use them with blower wheels that we've pulled out for cleaning. First, shut off power to the equipment and ensure that it's off using a voltmeter. Protect the work area to ensure that you're not going to cause any damage. Inspect the equipment and component cleanliness and condition. This includes the blower wheel, the evaporator coil, and the condenser coil. Pay attention to any signs of oil spotting, which may indicate refrigerant leak points. Blower wheel cleanliness is critical for system airflow and proper operation. A dirty condenser coil drives up head pressure, increasing compression ratio and decreasing system performance. Refrigeration Technologies Viper products have two primary delivery methods: a pump sprayer or a foam gun connected to a hose. Check carefully for dilution instructions. You'll notice that the Viper HD gallon jug gives separate dilution instructions for heavy duty, medium duty, light duty, and non-rinsing. Here we're going to show you how to dilute Viper HD for medium duty cleaning. First, you're going to need to know the fill volume. In the case of this Refrigeration Technologies pump sprayer, it takes 37 ounces to fill to the line. We've created this pump sprayer guide that shows what medium duty dilution is. In this case, it's 3.4 ounces. In order to properly use a dilution ratio, you must first add the ratio numbers together and divide the sum into the pump sprayer fill volume, which is 37 ounces in this case. Dividing 37 by 11 gives us approximately 3.4 ounces, which is the total fill amount for the chemical. Pour that fill amount into the pump sprayer and then fill the sprayer with water up to the fill line. Now let's show how to clean a blower wheel that's been removed. Here we show the hose-connected foam gun to apply foam liberally to the blower wheel. Give the foam a few minutes to dwell and then rinse thoroughly to finish cleaning the blower wheel. Repeat as necessary. When cleaning a very soiled condenser coil, it's best to remove the guard completely and remove any of the surface debris with a soft brush, especially in cases when you're dealing with cottonwood, dryer lint, or in some cases, animal hair. First, pre-rinse the coil from inside to outside. Next, choose your cleaner. You can use either the condenser coil venom pack, Viper Heavy Duty, dilute as recommended. Work from the inside out. Generally speaking, build foam from the bottom up. Make sure to work foam in between all of the rows and rinse completely when done. Finally, reassemble the equipment and test safely. If any of the components are still wet, ensure that they fully dry before completing your testing.